I thought I'd start this video from the back of the car. This is a stunning Land Rover Discovery HSE Luxury, 2 litre diesel on a 19 plate. The condition is outstanding. It's only done 17,000 miles. With it being the luxury, you get this. You get this beautiful quilted leather, and you get the rear entertainment for the rear passengers. Everything's with it. Rear climate control, rear heated seats. It is an absolute stunning example of a Discovery. Look at the interior, look at the condition of the leather, look at the glass roof. And with it being a HSE luxury, you get everything with it. So you get the rear entertainment. Obviously this car's a 2 litre diesel as well, so you'll benefit from the fuel economy. It's a 2019, so it's still under warranty till 2022. So this car's pretty much just got a 12 months Land Rover warranty. The colour's silicon silver, which is a stunning colour, but with that interior and the black pack and the 22-inch wheels, it looks fabulous. £45,990. It's priced to sell. Adaptive auto LED lights, which you've got the running lights as well. You've got them big 22-inch gloss black wheels, which just set the car off completely. Fixed side steps, privacy glass, and then your big tailgate with the extra seats in the back, which are just now, as you can see, there you're built into the floor, but there it's all done electrically. So if we want to lift them seats, it's all off here. You press the button and they will all lift all off that section there. So it's fully, you know, HSE luxury is the top of the tree when it comes to Discoveries, because you can get S, SE, HSE, but then the luxury just takes it to another level. It's all keyless, so if we get in the car, it's all keyless entry. You get all things like blind spot assist, you've got your memory seats, you've got the Meridian upgraded sound system, heated steering wheel, and look at the leather, look at the condition of it. This car's fully serviced by Land Rover, and it's only covered 17, so that's why you see the difference on the condition, because of the miles. It's so crisp inside. You've got piano black down the centre. Now even this section here normally gets really marked, even on cars which are only, you know, a year old. You can see it's immaculate. The seats, not just heated, if you see, they are cooled as well. That's why you've got the little holes all the way through the seats. All the things. Now if we go into here, you've got all your reversing camera, and then if we go into the main screen, if I swipe this along, you can see all the extra features. So in control apps, rear media, Apple CarPlay. If we go on here, cruise control, not just your standard cruise control, you've got them extra arrows, so it's got adaptive cruise control, heated steering wheel I mentioned earlier. The spec is absolutely phenomenal on a HSE luxury. Condition wise, beautiful. The roof, not just a glass fixed roof, sliding panoramic roof, and it's all the attention to detail, like the leather, even on the glove box. It's just stunning. Piped leather. Even see on the headrest here, this is what you get, all these little things. When you know, unless you're dealing in cars every day, it's hard to point out the little differences. But that, trust me, for a HSE luxury, that's the top of the tree. £45,990, full documented Land Rover history, silicon silver, beautiful interior, black pack, 22-inch wheels. What more do you want? It's hitting the website now. Give me a call direct if you want to discuss the car, but that car will just sell instantly.